Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. And so we're here on Laguna Beach, and we have a very beautiful view here, as you can see. So today I'm going to be talking about what can you sell online that you can make a lot of income online quickly and right away. So that's going to be the topic for today, and we're going to be talking about what digital products is one of the best for beginners or for somebody who's not familiar with making money online. So I would say there's no doubt that having courses or digital products like printable is one of the easiest way to make passive income online. So you're probably familiar about ebooks and printable. So I definitely think that having a PDF of courses, a PDF of ebooks or printable is easier to maintain than courses, because courses you need to have a place to store them, a place you still have to pay a monthly fee to store these books and have it available for people. And so where the membership model is best, because membership model, they pay monthly, and if there's things change, you still don't have to pay monthly to have to give people lifetime access. If I were to start over, what do you think would be better digital product? I really think that courses is the best way to scale your business, because courses that you can't, there's not much of a limit on the potential income that you can earn from there. Because once you create a courses, like you say you have like 10 courses, 20 courses, 30, 50 courses, you can definitely make money. Versus ebooks, the most expensive ebooks or printable or digital template, any of those, I think the max anybody would pay probably about $50 to $100 per e-course. E-course or digital product or templates. There are some rare cases. For the majority of the time, the average ebook ranging anywhere between $10, $20 up to $100, or it could be more, but majority of them will be probably $50 or less on ebooks. But when it comes to courses, there's courses and membership and services. You can go up to all the way. There's like thousands. There are courses or services or coaching. You can charge a lot for those. You can charge, $5,000, $10,000. You can charge group coaching. You can charge one-on-one, daily basis, mentorship, all that stuff for like $25,000, webinar, all that stuff. So for beginners, definitely there's no doubt that courses and membership are the great way to get started. So let's see where my kids are at. See my kids over there playing the playground, and you can do this too. It doesn't have to be complicated. The main thing is to have a market research. You want to research the course, the topic that has a demand for it, and once you find somewhere that have a demand for it, you're going to create an outline, a course, and you can incorporate coaching, monthly mentorship into the platform, or you can just do lifetime access for people with courses and stuff. It doesn't have to be you don't have to put mentorship if you don't have time for it at the moment. Let's just say you have kids and you can't really commit to something that you can do on a monthly basis. Then just create courses that help people, and then either you outsource it or you just list it out as, okay, this is a membership. You have access into all my courses, and here's a monthly fee that you can pay for that. So let me know what you think is going to be the best digital products that you can get started, that you can own, that you can create to give value to people. Now, you want to have some sort of contact for your student to have access to you. You can outsource that, or you can kind of hire having a virtual assistant to help your students when they have problem enrolling or they have problem logging into your course. But definitely, courses is a lot easier to scale, and a lot more money can be made having 5, 10 courses is a lot more potential versus ebooks. But also people say that the argument is if you have like a marketplace like Amazon where they have millions and a lot of people looking for ebooks and read book on unlimited Kindle unlimited program where they pay monthly fee for that. So I think that's great too. It really depends on what you like. It really depends on how fast and how committed you are in creating the product. So let's just say that you don't like to write books, okay? But you like to do videos. I think courses would be something that you can get started to help you. And of all the platform out there, I think System.io is one of the great way to have all in one platform. They have email marketing, they have a blog, they have a community, they have courses on there, they have a free forever plan on there. If you ever considering creating a course and a membership in one place, then System.io is a great place to start. I also familiar with onlinecourse.com where they give you unlimited courses, and right now it's $25 per month, and there's a lot of great places that you can get unlimited courses and unlimited student on there for that great price of $25 per month. So unlike Teachable or Thinkific, they cost a bit more than that. Okay, so let me know what you think about the best digital products that anybody can start, that beginners can start, or even people who have a large audience, or people who've been creating video and make content and have a lot of courses. There's no doubt that courses is going to be the best way to scale your income, passive income online. Okay, so let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great Sunday out there. And it's really a matter of you planning it out. You just try it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, one of the things that really stop people from creating things or starting making money online is just going to be procrastination and perfectionism. So for me, it was a big issue because I keep procrastinating, expecting things to be like good and perfect. And you have to have your course out there, and you have to have try it out, have people enroll in your course and give you some feedback on those. So beta students are very good, help you to perfect the course to make it better. Okay, so let me know what you think, and try not to procrastinate on those, and try not to be a perfectionist when it comes to creating things, because it's something that you're going to be, it's an ongoing, you have to editing all, you keep changing your course, you keep upgrading it, so it doesn't have to be picture perfect in those the courses when you first publishing it. So I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the templates that I have available for people who are interested in finding ways to make money online. And it doesn't have to be complicated. You can start out, if you can't really commit to a course, you can create PDFs, you can create ebook guideline. The main thing is to build a community, to build your email list, and to start growing online and post videos online, or post your blog posts online, or podcasts, etc. online, so that people can find you out there. Okay, I'll see you next time.